Hey traders, so today we're trading Bitcoin right here. So as we see right here, Bitcoin has a key resistance level. So right here we're doing very short trades, 15 seconds or so, and we're seeing if this breaks out or not, or if it's a false breakout. So right here, I do think this is probably a false breakout. So I want to be doing a sell-off right here. So right here, there's a 15-second trade. I'm on 15-second candles, and of the few indicators set up, such as the moving averages primarily. So here we just profited $288. Okay, so that's a great win. Just start out the day, and right here in the movements now, we can probably do a little bit of scalping. So let's do some 5-second scalping here and there. So now it might be actually breaking out potentially. So potentially just buying right here, just leveraging this price movement, this really quick price movement, got us another quick profit right there. Okay, so looking right here, Bitcoin has been moving around quite a bit today, and we see that now it's going down. So it's very volatile as we see. So we maybe do a few more scalps here and there. So I probably want to reduce the amount right here to maybe 100 or 75, just reduce, or maybe 100, just reduce the risk a little bit. And here I actually want to sell off potentially. Let's do a 5-second sell off, see if it will go down. This is a really quick scalp. And okay, so we didn't make any major profits there, but let's see here, trying to just do a few scalps here and there, go with the momentum and follow the momentum, see where that leads us. And now it's going down a little bit, right? Up a little bit. So potentially we could make a little bit of scalp movement upwards, but I don't think it's a very strong upwards movement, at least from what I see. Okay, actually, I take this back. So the upwards movement is very, very substantial, actually. So let's see if it does some sort of a, I'm not sure if there's any significant resistance there, but it looks like there's some sort of bottleneck here. We can look at some larger time frames, maybe 2 minutes. All right, so roughly this level's being tested. And I think it might reach up a little bit higher potentially. And then after that, it will probably drop down. So let's go back to this 10-50 seconds time frame. So here, see everything's going up a fair bit actually. Yeah, I just can't really make any super decisive scalps. So let's yeah, here's not very certain. I'm gonna be buying to potentially make some upwards profit, but it looks like this isn't gonna go through the way I want it to. That's okay. Okay, not all trades are a win. So I'm gonna be trying to do one more trade potentially. So I was a little bit late on this trade right here. It did go up shortly after. So when you do these very short-term scalps, it's very risky. Typically you want to do a little bit longer term trades, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute. And those are a lot less risky, especially if you have a lot of the fundamentals set up correctly for the technical indicators. So if everything is lining up perfectly, then it would make sense to buy. So let's see on the 2 minutes. Looks like this is just at around this peak right here. So it's at this resistance level. So yeah, I mean, I really do expect it to not really pass it. So what I'll do is I'll go back to the 15 second. I'll probably be selling on a larger time frame. Let's say 30 seconds. I'll be selling. Potentially see if we can make some of our money back or not. All right, so it looks like this trade is going upwards quite a bit. Might actually be doing a breakout. So I did think this was a false breakout, but it does seem to be a fairly substantial breakout right here. So that's going to be our last trade of the day. And we did make some pretty decent profits, but the last 2 trades were just a little bit iffy, which is okay. Some trades are just going to be bad. What's important is that you don't let emotions take control of your trades too much. And if you want 50% off your first deposit on Pocket Option, just go to BeCoin.net. It's BeCoin.net right here. So you want to go to BeCoin.net, right? And all you have to do is just click this right here and you'll get 50% off. You can also see a bunch of cryptocurrency price forecasts. So if you want to do some swing trading, but let's say Bitcoin, you can click on Bitcoin and you can actually see a lot of information on Bitcoin right here. Okay. So all this information, all for free. So if you want to access this, just go to BeCoin.net. And if you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment any of your thoughts in the comments section.